In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your check-in instructions on Airbnb quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. If you're planning a stay at an Airbnb and need to check in, knowing exactly where to find the check-in details is crucial for a seamless arrival. First off, you should check your confirmation email. After you book an Airbnb, they'll send you a confirmation email, which is your gateway to crucial information. Inside this email, you'll find details about your reservation and, most importantly, information regarding check-in procedures. Make sure to scroll carefully through the email. Often, you'll find the check-in details and any specific host instructions outlined clearly. This email acts as a handy reference point, so it's a good idea to keep it accessible or flagged in your inbox, just in case you need to revisit it closer to your check-in date. Now, if you prefer using digital platforms more than emails, the Airbnb app or website is your next destination. Log into your account, either on the app or through a web browser, and navigate to your trip details. Once you're there, look for a section dedicated to check-in instructions. It usually contains all the necessary information you'll need for your arrival. However, if you're unable to find these details, no worries. Airbnb has made it really straightforward to get in touch with your host directly. Through the same app or website, you can send them a message asking for the check-in information. Hosts are typically very responsive and eager to ensure you have a pleasant stay, so don't hesitate to reach out if something isn't clear. As you prepare for your journey, one important aspect to keep an eye out for is the key access details. Many hosts provide a key via a lockbox or a smart lock system. In your check-in details, you should find instructions on how to access the property, such as a code for a key lockbox or a smart lock. Additionally, some hosts include other vital information, like Wi-Fi details, or even a physical guidebook located at the property. This booklet often contains useful tips for both your stay and exploring the local area. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll always be well equipped to locate your check-in instructions before your stay, so there are no surprises upon arrival. We hope you found this video helpful and that your next Airbnb experience is as smooth as possible. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more helpful tips. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.